Manohar Parrikar will remain the chief minister because of his health. Every aspect of his health and the political leadership of the state is being talked. Manohar Parrikar is suffering a disease which is not of his making. Noikarpon is about the largeness of a Konkani heart. So we have to, and I think the people also understand that these are mitigating circumstances, and we have to understand this. He has done a lot for Goa. If you see the infrastructure that has been brought in, is basically when he was defense minister, he has used this context to see that his state develops. 20,000 crores worth of infrastructural development for a state which has a huge tourism potential, which is the nucleus of the tourism circuit in the south of India. He is a very creditable exercise. He has done it. Nobody can deny Manohar Parrikar's role in building a modern Goa. So we have to all got to honor it and we respect. We had made this positive compromise of aligning with the BJP by keeping Manohar Parrikar as the furikor, as the binding glue that will hold these disparate partners together. Unfortunately, issues have cropped up over his health, which are not in his hand. This is only pure bad luck. Now we cannot abdicate. The responsibility we will have to take whatever we had conceptualized.
BJP is trying to get promote and
Whatever BJP does,
junior Rane, but it will be go well with the Goa forward.
let us see. Nothing is decided. Let us see. As and when it comes, BJP national president also understands that this unique equation between disparate coalition partners and the reigning chief minister, this equation has to be respected.